Hey, this is Ronald Carroll from Mass Skills University, and this is a really quick video on Banggood. Banggood, to me, reminds me of Amazon, and they like to ship from their warehouses. They control their supply line, and they were started in 2006. And they're a Chinese-based company, and they have 37 different warehouses or partnering warehouses worldwide, as you can see. And they pride themselves on having more superior products. So you won't find 99-cent deals on this website. So if I go over to Banggood, this is what you'll see. And I'm logged in. And there's a VIP center. You can go through that if you like. But they sell some of everything. But if I scroll down, you'll see they sell a lot of tools, a lot of gadgets like this. But as you can see, the prices aren't super cheap like you'll find on, say, DHgate or AliExpress, and I have videos on those as well. If you're looking to be a drop shipper, I have videos on that, how to get started step by step. As you can see, they have everything. I'm going to make this video short. They have flash deals, clearance, unbeatable prices here. These are the flash deals they have. You'll see you'll find everything, a lot of tools, electronic stuff. They do have clothes and things like that as well. Snap up deals. These are trying to get rid of the smartwatches. And some of these things you can resell if you're a drop shipper. Clearance sales are right here. I'm doing a quick navigation. But if you're looking for an alternative to Amazon, this would definitely be it. Then we have 1-week delivery deals, but this is not membership based. Now, because they have so many different warehouses, if I click on this, for example, I have the same thing I have on Amazon. I have reviews right here, and you'll see a lot of their reviews are pretty high. You won't find any low reviews here. Q&A sections right here. You can pay through PayPal, make payment plans. And then again, a lot of this stuff comes out of Canada, but they do have, I know, places in Australia. They have a facility in the US, but it gives you delivery time. So if you're in the US, and you can expect 5 to 7 days on most deliveries. Today is the 1st, so it's saying the 9th. If I click to Canada, as you can see, it gets substantially longer. I can see minimum maximum price. You can see where it ships from United States or only, so I can specify that. I can look at the most reviews only, popular reviews only, by price. I can do different things here. Let's click on one of these items. On the left-hand side, I'll have this. This reminds me of Amazon. Let's click on this one. Questions, reviews. This is the company. So if I want to click on the company itself, I can see other things they sell and what brands they sell and make. Click on this particular item. Look at the reviews. This tells me where the people are that bought this. They can put up their own photographs and videos. So different countries. Q&A section down here. This again reminds me of Amazon a little bit. And shipping is always free. So I just want to show you that. Buy it now. Quality guarantee. You can return it for no reason whatsoever. So I'll go back. They have bicycles. They have some of everything, really. Then we have clearance items here. And some of these, of course, will be sold out because people buy them up. They have TVs. Anything you want to buy on Amazon. And they seem to model themselves more after Amazon versus AliExpress and, say, DHgate. Discovery new items over here. And look at the pricing. You're not going to find 99-cent deals here. This is from Canada. Delivery, again, at this point, is about a month. 3 batteries, 2 batteries, pay through PayPal. Recommendations for other items. Description, specifications, Q&A, return policy. You don't have to be a member to receive free shipping. Over here to top sellers. I'm going to make this quick. You can navigate through the menu yourself. I just want to make this video really quick because people have asked me to do it. Musical instruments. Phone accessories. That's a hot seller as well. Consumer electronics. Smartwatches, speakers. So they have a lot of different things. A lot of people buy a lot of tools on here. I know that, like home construction tools and things like that. There's a lot of reviews on YouTube for that. Women's clothing. And of course they have men's clothing, health and beauty, home appliances. Now, if you're buying something like a 3D printer and you're in the US, you want to make sure that that ships from the US. And the taxes will be applied when you check out based on where you live. If you're a drop shipper and have a reseller number, then of course you need to let them know that in advance. Men's and women's clothing. So it's pretty straightforward. So if I were to buy something here, I'll just click on it. Click on this. Add it to my cart. And again, it's coming from the US. Shipping's free, 7-day delivery. Today's the 1st, May 1st. It'll come by May 9th. I can view my cart. I have a few things here. And I can just check out. Pretty simple. Heart it. Put it on my wish list or delete it. So Banggood again reminds me of Amazon because they warehouse all their products and it's not being drop shipped from a third party. I've heard cases where I know they have a warehouse in Germany and Australia and they said it was in stock, but it turned out it wasn't in stock. It had to be shipped from China first. But that should be rare. But Banggood's a good company. See, they've been around for a while and they really try to do a good job in what they do. They have 24/7 customer service. So check them out. If you're looking for certain things and you want to buy direct, this is a good place. And they are in most cases cheaper than eBay and Amazon. They seem to have a lot of things coming from Canada. 45 people love this product. So I just want to give you a quick overview of Banggood. But this is one place that you can become a drop shipper of and you can drop ship from them. But because of their pricing levels, as you can see, you're going to have to really compare this to prices on Amazon and eBay before you become a drop shipper or consider it. That's why I say to me, they're more business to consumer based, but there are people out there drop shipping from this company. But they try to sell more mid-range and upper scale products. But your account's over here, information. And here's my account. And over the left-hand side, you see my orders, things like that, coupons. Then they have a VIP section here. And the more you buy, the more discounts you get and things like that. For payment security, delivery guarantee, you can also return items for no reason whatsoever. And they have a quality guarantee. I've also seen walkthroughs of their warehouses, and employees were saying that they got paid really well. So they're big on that type of stuff. So the quality is there. Again, this competes to me more with the Amazon. So to see videos on AliExpress and DHgate, those are linked below. Thank you very much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. And until we meet again, have a great, creative, and prosperous day. Peace.